Wow. Guess this is kind of cool. I don't know. I guess it is. I like having a twin. It's really fun. See what I can do? Stick my face in his face. Look. Now I'm simply nothing. Ha! Watch this. Whoa. Ha ha ha! Gay. Seriously, I'm not gay in real life. Ha! I'm big brain general. Big mouth. Crap, now I'm General Smallmouth. Bug! Rawr! Small brain Krog have. Whoa, 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 whoa. Creepy. Hey, what's this? Oh yeah. You know what I like? I like guns. Die! Woo! Stick my hand through, and in, and out, and in, and out. Ah! I gotta put my gun down. Help me! Oh God. Oh God. You know what I like the best? Zombified. This is my favorite part about the Microsoft Live Cam. No, I'm not on photo booth. Idiots. I bet you thought I was on photo booth. Bet you'd be having this around your head. You know what I think? What the is your problem? Can photo booth do this? Give you this? I don't think so. They can only do some of the stuff that Microsoft Live Cam can do. What's this? Can't even grab it. Nope. But you can move it. See? We can just move up, down, up, disappear, up, disappear, up, disappear, up. I hate these things. My parents said this is what I should look like. This is what I would look like if I were on the Harlem Globetrotters. I'm a mutant. Get off me. Crap. I look like a retard. Total retard. Look at my neck, it's so long. Oh, come on. Well, see you guys when I'm normal. Oh, that's